Hey, what's up, guys? Assalamu alaikum. I am Farhan. You are watching Sam-Farhan YouTube channel. After a long time, I make this video. That's why I'm sorry. So today I wanna show you how to customize your PC or laptop like this. So I play a music. You can see. So before starting this tutorial, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe. Already subscribed that, then thank you so much. So let's get started. Okay, first of all we need to download all files which is given on the description below. Go check out. I have already downloaded, so I skip this part. Now set this wallpaper as a background. After completing all download, install one by one. If you have no idea how to install, then follow my step. Okay, before setting up, now we have to unload all skin. Go to the rainmeter like this and follow my step. Oh, sorry, I have forgot to add the visualizer. Hey, if you are not understand anything, please ask in comment. This is end of this video. Thanks for watching. Wait for next video. Allah Hafiz.